Purpose. Are you an experienced professional looking for a new challenge? So we are excited to announce that we have several vacancies available for experienced professionals in our company. So we are looking for talented individuals such who share our passion and values. So if you are interested to know about our vacancies, so keep watching. Sorry about the location, our vacancies are in Hyderabad. So our first vacancy is Power BI and with 4 to 6 years of experience and number of positions is 2. So our job mode is virtual. Okay. So our second vacancy is data engineering with 3 to 5 years of experience and number of positions is 3. So our job mode is virtual. So next vacancy is Java full stack. So experience is 3 to 5 years and number of positions is 2, and as next vacancy is data engineering with 5 to 8 years of experience and number of positions is 3 with virtual mode. Okay. Our next vacancy is cloud of engineering with 4 plus years of experience. Number of positions is 3 with job mode is virtual. .NET Core developer with 4 to 8 years of experience. Number of positions is 3 with virtual job mode. And Golang or full stack engineer with 5 plus years of experience. Number of positions is 4 and virtual mode job. And last but not least, SE and SEE with 2 to 6 years of experience. Number of positions is 2. Job mode is virtual. In these vacancies, we have 2 locations and they are Hyderabad and Coimbatore. Thank you.